Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love Kenner Blythes. They are my personal grail doll. If I got rid of every other doll, not my Kenners. I am a Blythe, what would you say, fanatic? I love Blythe dolls. I have all of the registered trademark Blythe dolls. Represented in one way or another. I have the Kenners, I have the Ashton Drake Company Blythes, I have Takara and Good Smile and Hasbro. I'm trying to thank Tomy. And I have one more as of today. Let me come around. If you don't know, the original 1972 Kenner Blythe dolls came in a redhead, a blonde, a brunette, and a raven hair. You can see the difference between their hair. The raven hair and the blonde are harder to find today than the brunettes and redheads. Now there were some variations in the dolls as far as hair. If you'll see, this one has bangs. She came like that, and this one does not. And I think there were some variations in the blonde where she had a part also in the middle, and some other variations. On their backs, they also have the Kenner brand, and that is in the plastic. Some of the dolls have 6 lines that talk about, Kenner and where they were made and blah, blah, blah. And others have 7. The 6-line dolls were the first dolls. Let's see, she has 6 lines and she has 6 lines. And then I have these 3 are 7-line. Yeah, I had to think real fast if that was correct. So 6 and 6. And what I would like to have, my dream, my big grail doll dream, is to have a set of 4 Kenner Blythes in their original dresses, which I have a lot of their original clothing, as you can see here. They had closed packets also, so some of these came in closed packets. And these are original Kenner hangers, I've been told, although they're different. But it could be that one, I don't know. And then I have 2 of the case holders. Let me grab one. I've still got stuff in here. They were divided down the middle, and my other one has the original drawer. But Darren made this drawer for me. It came without. I would love to have a couple more of these and a few more Kenner Blythe dolls. I also wanted a Kenner Blythe doll that I could take places, like to BlytheCon or doll shows or whatever. So, all that said, I found this girl on eBay. I could not believe. I just heard something else in this box. Let me double check. I opened this box. She came on a Thursday, and we were leaving town on Friday, gone for the weekend. And not only was I anxious, I wanted to make sure she was okay. But I found her on eBay, and I couldn't believe the price I got her from. I did not bid to the very end. She is also, you can see the difference in their faces too. She is also a brunette. My little brunette here has 6 lines. I did not care if she had 5 or 6 or if her hair, I did not know her hair was this nice. I am anxious to get a comb after this and show you what I do before I wash their hair, and then how I do the downy dunk. And that downy dunk really lasts. I mean, it's nice. She was not broken. I have, my blonde girl is broken at the waist, which I knew when I bought her. And that is very common, and it's from the foot trap stand, I'm sure of it, that they come with. They come with a 4-way foot trap that comes up and across like this. It comes up to about here. And I have those with my Ashton Drake dolls also. Now this girl came with this outfit, including her original panties. Unreal. Unreal. And then 2 different boots. These are Blythe boots, but they're not matching. But I thought, what the heck? I have a Blythe collection, and I like a little bit of everything. But you can see it's the same mold. Oh, no, it's not. It's a little different. But they're flat-footed, and they fit the Blythe foot, which is different than a Barbie. So anyway, I got this girl, and I was just thrilled. And I got her out of the box real quick before we left, and I clicked her eyes. I got to tell you something. There is nothing like the Kinner Click. I mean, you barely touch this. I have Takara's and Good Smiles and Ashton Drake's. They don't click like this. And the China dolls, which I call Alley Blythes, do not click like this either. And the click sounds different. And her knees are working. They have the posable, bendable knees. I'm not going to click them too much because these dolls are over 50 years old. So I did not care how many lines that she had. I wanted her to take places, to doll shows, we didn't get to go in 23 or 24, but I go to the Blythe cons. Oh, I love talking to the other Blythe people. But I turned her over, hoping she was 7, didn't have my glasses on, in a big hurry before we left. I thought she was 6. Have to tell you, I was a little bit disappointed, and then I looked again, 7 lines. So I am 3/4 of the way to having my Grail dolls. I have 4 in 7 lines. She completes the set. And then I have 2, this girl and this girl, in the 6 line. So now I need a blonde and a raven hair in 6 line to complete my set. I'm going to get her cleaned up, and I will show you more on her later. I'm so thrilled. So we've been thinking about names, and since she's my 6th Kinner, I came up with all kinds of names like Kix, K and 6, and K6, and on and on and on. And I thought, I should name her 6 of, how they have 7 of 9 on, what is it, Star Trek? And I thought, I should name her 6 of 10. No comment from my husband? This is a Grail doll. I also clean up their clothing. These 2 dresses have been washed. I have to tell you too, there is a variation in the clothing that looks identical. This is heavier. This is a heavier fabric, or it seems to be. Maybe it's just that dirty. Seems to be than these 2 were. I'm just thrilled to have it. I am so thrilled. I almost forgot to tell you. When I got my first registered trademark Blythe doll, it was a Ashton Drake, and it came without shoes. And Darren took his little calibrator and measured the feet, and he made these. I mean, I have them in all colors. Shoes that fit all of the registered trademark dolls. And of course, I had to have them in the iconic orange, which is a Kinner color. I asked him to make these Blythe Kinner Set 1972 stands. I absolutely love them. You can see I have them in a lot of the colors that would have been popular in 1972. And then this gold one. The gold one's my favorite. I absolutely love that. So these are my stands. I did have one extra, which I'll save because Darren also made, this is I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. This is a very bright, shiny, not metallic, but it's beautiful, just beautiful. He made this one, and I am so thrilled. If you notice, I have my girls, most of them, in fact, I changed some, on green. So I thought maybe, just maybe, and I do, I'll probably end up here, but I thought maybe I'll go with the blue for this girl. Thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me show you my Kenner collection once again. I do want to say I have a website called whimsicalblythe.com. And I have been working on my Kenner page, and I need to work on my Takara page. I have a Takara Blythe coming, and I also have a little big-eyed doll coming. And that is Streetwise, the toy company, made a doll in the, I think it was when Takara's came out and Blythe got popular again. They made a doll with a button that changed her eye, and she's a little bit taller. I can't wait to show you those. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to my channel. Come back when I get her out again, get this hair combed, and I'm going to do a downy dip on it, get her cleaned up, get her outfit cleaned up, and see about some shoes for this girl. Thank you for watching. And hang on just a minute, and you'll see us opening the original box. Okay, here is the official opening of my new Blythe doll, my Kenner Blythe. And I am so excited. I'm letting Darren cut this part because I don't want to cut anything on the inside. We are doing this just before we leave town. I will record the rest later. Oh, here she is, here she is, here she is. When I saw this doll on eBay, I fell in love again. I mean, I fell in love again with Kenners. I am absolutely thrilled. She does not have an eyelash out of place. She needs some cleaning up. I want to pull her dress off and take a look. Okay. I do have more than one of these little dresses, and I am, oh God, you be so careful with a Kenner. These dolls are over 50 years old, and they were made to be an inexpensive toy, and now they're expensive collector's items. Oh, look at her. Even has her little underwear. All right, so what do we have? 2, 4, 6 lines. I couldn't see it in the, yeah, 6 lines? Yeah. I couldn't see it in the auction. I didn't care. This girl's going to be for something different. Oh, that Kenner click. I mean, you barely pull that down, and it sounds different. It sounds different than Takara. Oh, I love her. Now, she has 2 boots. One black, one white. How odd.
Open your eyes to the world of Blythe, the wide-eyed world of Blythe. Pull her ring, see her do her thing, she'll change her eyes for you.
Blythe, the doll with a surprise in her eyes. Quick as a wink, her eyes change color. They change expression, too.
Blythe, Blythe, changeable Blythe.
Look, she's bouncy brown. Wow, green-eyed and groovy. Hey, purple pretty as you please. Ah, beautiful blue. And she's really out of sight in her mod outfit.
Blythe, Blythe, a new look for Blythe.
Take a comb and give Blythe a swinging new hairstyle.
Open your eyes to the world of Blythe, the wide-eyed world of beautiful Blythe.
Which Blythe do you like? Blythe, she's from Kenner.